What is that?
Teabagging.
What's it called?
Teabagging.
Jamie. Jamie.
It's in Halo.
It's what?
It's in Halo.
In Halo. Jamie, do you know this?
Yeah.
What is it, Rick? What is teabagging?
Teabagging is like when someone's dead, you can go over to them and hit this button on that makes you move, and then you push it down, and then you start doing this.
Okay, wait.
It's supposed to be squatting, but if you do it really fast, it looks like you're dipping a teabag like this.
Is that why it's called that?
Yeah, because it looks like you're dipping a teabag really fast.
Oh, dipping a teabag with what? With your hands?
No, with your whole body. It's supposed to be squatting like this when you press the button. But if you do it really fast, you can see how I'm like a hand holding a teabag, and I'm doing this.